Tesla's Optimus Robot was showcased with a new robotic arm that is insane and so good. Recently, they had announced jobs in teleoperation, and if the response time is that accurate in teleoperation, then this is so impressive. In the video demonstration, Tesla showcased the new hand's insane capabilities, which feature human-like tendons and an impressive 22 degrees of freedom in the hand alone, with an additional 3 in the wrist and forearm. This innovation marks a major leap in Tesla's efforts to replicate human dexterity, one of the most complex challenges in robotics. While the demo was teleoperated, Tesla was transparent about this from the start, avoiding the criticism it faced previously for not disclosing similar details at the We Robot event. The upgraded hand is more realistic in appearance, but also engineered for finer control and enhanced tactile sensing. Milan Kovac, who is the head of the Optimus program, detailed the ongoing development, highlighting efforts to integrate broader tactile sensing coverage and refine the tendons for precise movements. A unique challenge involves balancing the compliance and protective layering on the fingers and palm without compromising tactile feedback. Also, something important to note is that Tesla has moved all actuation mechanisms to the forearm, which increases its weight, but also optimizes the hand's functionality. What makes this development particularly exciting is the broader implications for robotics and AI. Dexterity is one of the last frontiers for humanoid robots, and Tesla's progress suggests they are closing the gap between human and robotic capabilities. The Optimus program has already found limited use within Tesla's factories, a sign that the company is preparing these robots for more extensive real-world applications. Personally, I think Tesla's rapid strides in humanoid robotics could outpace its progress in other ambitious projects, such as achieving unsupervised robotaxi functionality. Just as humans master hand-eye coordination and manipulation tasks before acquiring the skills to navigate complex driving environments, AI may follow a similar trajectory. If so, Tesla's humanoid robots might achieve practical utility at scale sooner than its autonomous driving systems.